Hey, how's it going? NavyVet88, and I'm here with you guys with the unboxing of the Cyelee T10 X Pro. This comes as one of their red dot options that they've sent to me, so let's check it out. As you can see here, nice clean box, easy to open. Nice foam pad at the top for protection. Nothing special, just a nice thin piece of foam. Everyone has it. Basically, any type of optic that you buy, you're going to get that nice little slim foam piece at the top. As you can see here, we have some of the instruction manuals. As you can see, their website, as well as their links to their Facebook and Instagram page. Inside of here, we just pretty much have a running breakdown of everything you'll need to know as far as adjusting anything on the optic, installing a battery, any type of information that you may need as far as warranty is concerned. It's all there. MOA dot, how to adjust it. It's pretty much self-explanatory. As you can see here, we have a lens cleaner or a lens cloth. I keep a lot of these from just multiple optics that I've purchased over time. And I like to keep one of the cloths right up by my dresser where I keep my EDC pistol. So whenever I'm getting ready to go out, sometimes I just pull it out, clean my glass out, clean that little internal area out. Next up, we have a sticker. Anybody who knows me knows that I have a gun case that is full of stickers from all different types of brands, from things that I've purchased. So definitely going to keep that along. Moving on, we have the mounting system, which is the mounting plate that goes onto a pick rail. As you can see, you pretty much just unscrew it, get it enough space to put it on, use your little blue Loctite, lock it in, and there you go. It's a nice mounting system. As far as the base is concerned, you could just put your red dot optic directly on top of it and you won't have any issues. It sits fairly low, so you can get your head right down into it, and it's great. Next up, you see we have the battery. Nice little sun battery. It's good that they actually send you a battery, because a lot of times people don't keep these type of batteries on hand. If you don't shoot a lot and you don't have multiple red dots, then you wouldn't understand. So next up, we have the optic itself. As you can see, it has the rubber boot on it on the front and rear lens. And I think that's a really great touch to have one of those for protection, not only for shipping, but also for people who keep a lot of different optics and they might have them in like a gun case or something like that, or a bag, and just, don't want to get banged around with a whole bunch of other things. Right here, as you can see, we have the optic itself. Very clean, very light, very crisp etching as well as far as for the company's name. As you can see, it comes with the riser mount already attached to it. The glass is really, really clear on both ends, which is always a plus for clear glass. And I'll show you more of that once we do our range review. Like I said, here you have the riser, and it's open so that you can always see your co-witness for your iron sights at the front and rear, as well as being able to pick up on your red dot whenever you need to. It's fantastic optic so far. As far as the unboxing is concerned, I really like it. I think it's a really nice product, really clear glass. The weight is nice. The buttons are nice, easy to manipulate when it comes to taking the battery in and out. As you can see, we just scrolled it out, and then now we're gonna just twist it back in, lock it up, and then there you go for that. Buttons at the button at the top are really nice, rubberized buttons, just like on the Holocene that I have. But all in all, it's a really, really great red dot so far out of the box. We'll take it to the range, we'll test it, run it through a couple of paces, and see if it holds up, see if it holds zero. And yeah,